I'm never happier than when I'm surrounded by sawdust. I love making sawdust because that tells me that I'm working. And you'll notice in a lot of my movies, I say, love your work. I love working. I love creating things out of wood and making a mess. I'm always absolutely covered in sawdust because I'm left-handed, and for right-handed people doing woodwork, all their machinery is used like this, and all the sawdust shoots out there. But I'm left-handed, so I work like this, and so all of the sawdust shoots out at me. So that's why I'm always covered in sawdust. Put the chamfer on. As I